Welcome back. I apologize for the technical difficulties we had this evening a few times. Uh, uh, Jacksonville got the 90. Actually, Carolina got actually Buffalo. So I started out with pick 96. Buffalo got no, it was the Giants because you heard me say Jamal Dean of Auburn. The 95th pick with the Giants was defensive end O'Shawn Kimbins from Old Dominion. The 96th pick with Buffalo was Dawson Knox of Old Miss, was a tight end. Carolina with the 97th pick overall. I took tackle Bobby Evans of Oklahoma. Jacksonville traded with Carolina for the 98th one. They got linebacker Quincy Williams of Murray State. Tampa Bay with the 99th pick got safety Mike Edwards of Kentucky. The 100th draft pick, Carolina picked quarterback Will Greer of West Virginia, and he's from Carolina, and he gets to go right back home to Carolina and stay there and play with the Carolina Panthers. And I felt Will Greer put up a lot of big numbers at West Virginia last year. So, and the 101st pick, the New England Patriots, Super Bowl champs, took tackle Yadni Kajesti of West Virginia. He put up a lot of big numbers last year. And rounding out the night for round 3, the 102nd pick went to the Minnesota Vikings, and they selected running back Alexander Madison of Boise State. Well, round 2 and round 3 of the NFL draft are in the books, and the Browns made their first 2 picks tonight. We have 102 down and 152 to go. But with the Browns traded from the 49th to the 46th, and with that one they got quarterback Greedy Williams of LSU, and that was a good choice because the Browns need a quarterback. And with the 80th pick, the Browns got linebacker Sino Takai of BYU, and we're going to have more from picks 103 to rounds 4, 5, 6, and 7 for you tomorrow. And boy, what a night! And a lot of interesting trade-ups and a lot of interesting picks tonight. A lot of teams traded up tonight, which was surprisingly Carolina, especially, and Philly, and even the Rams, even. And that's a lot of trades tonight. Yeah, there's a lot of trades. A lot of them tonight. And we're going to have a lot more tomorrow to round out the 2019 NFL Draft. And leading up to 254 Mr. Irrelevant, which will be in round number 7. And I really just think this has been quite a night where teams have traded up or stuck with the pick that they had. And Miami acquired Josh Allen from the Arizona Cardinals, and I think they wanted to do that, and I think Arizona traded up for one of their picks for Miami to be able to get Josh Allen. And a lot of times, I really think that I think it was the appropriate time to trade up, and I really think it was the appropriate time to trade up in the draft. And I really think that we're going to have a lot more interesting, surprising trade-ups, actually, I should say, and interesting trade-ups. And I feel John Dorsey is satisfied with the picks that he made tonight in the draft. And so they have a few more picks tomorrow in rounds 4, 5, 6, and 7. We'll see what they do in the draft tomorrow. And and I really feel that this was a very surprising interesting night, I should say, draft-wise, and I really think I felt Indianapolis made quite a few trade-ups tonight, and I felt they made some surprising but good ones actually in the draft tonight. And I'm going to be and I really feel that this was for Indianapolis. They needed to do it to make some trades, and that's what you got to know when it's the right time to trade up. And Indianapolis last year, they had a few games where they faltered, and I really feel that they're going to have a great. Their team's going to improve this upcoming season, and we do have a preseason game with them, and that'll serve as a joint practice for both teams before that preseason game, which that is a Thursday night one, I believe. No, it's just a Saturday game, I believe. Sorry, and I really feel that I think they're gonna improve this upcoming season. But I think the Browns are favored to win the division, and they're favored to win the AFC Championship game and the Super Bowl. I'm gonna believe that when I see it, and I really feel that I really feel that the Browns are going to make the playoffs by far, and we'll see how far they go in the playoffs. And Arizona made some great picks tonight. Although if you think it's going to be the Cardinals' year, as I said, think again. They're going to be having a rebuilding year because they've got a new coach, and I really feel that Ohio State really has a connection with the Redskins, Washington Redskins, and quarterback Dwayne Haskins is going to Washington, and I think we expected that one to happen. I think Washington was wanting to get to Dwayne Haskins, and I think we all expected that pick to happen, and which it ended up happening. And I want to really and I really want to just say I feel the Browns, as I said before, made two great picks, and they could trade up again tomorrow. You never know. And but I think with the one in the fourth, he's going to stick with 189 in the fourth, and I really think he's not going to trade. I think in the fifth and sixth round he may trade up, but we'll see, and possibly not the seventh round. I don't think he may not trade up then, but we will see. And I just feel a lot of these I gotta go back a sheet of paper here. I gotta just flip back a sheet of paper here. Quincy Williams put up a lot of big numbers for Murray State this past year, and I think he's really going to be a valuable addition to Tampa Bay because they need a good safety. And linebacker Quincy Williams, tackle Bobby Evans put up a lot of big numbers for Oklahoma. And Carolina needs a good tackle, and I think they're really going to get a lot out of Bobby Evans. And I really feel that they are. And we're almost, and I gotta tell you, I almost said we're almost out of time. We're not out of time yet, but I feel that this draft tonight really, rounds 2 and 3 were very surprising and interesting rounds tonight in the draft tonight. So I'm looking forward to the last 4 rounds tomorrow, and we'll see what the Browns and all the other teams do in the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th rounds of the NFL draft tomorrow. And that's just about going to wrap it up for this special edition of Scout Sports 101 2019 NFL Draft Edition for rounds 2 and 3. I'll be back with you tomorrow, but it starts at noon, but I have to work at my job from 8 to 2, so I will be missing the first couple of hours, but I will catch you up, and I'm getting my haircut tomorrow after that to follow after work. When I get home, I'll get right back on the air with you. I'll have my TV going here in my TV room, which I call Studio B, and I'll be giving you all the picks leading up to 255, Mr. Irrelevant. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.